Come today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here to the connections. Now just to activate Wi-Fi, click here once on the switcher, click then here, and you'll see here all the available networks, and you can use one from these networks right now. So I'll just go with the first one, click here, and you should enter here your password. In my case that's from 1 to 8, and then just by click once on this eye icon you can see your password, and just to check to have some mistakes here. Also we can here enable disable the auto reconnect to this network. After then we'll connect to this network, and then just to connect, click here, wait a second, and as can you see our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way you can select another network, for example this one, just here enter the password and click to connect. And if you want to just turn off your Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher and you will turn off Wi-Fi on your device. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should open your notification panel and then here click once on the Wi-Fi icon to activate the Wi-Fi. To launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the Wi-Fi, and you will launch by this way the Wi-Fi settings, and you will select one from these available networks by the same way. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi here you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.